Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin, and this is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Now, today I'm going to be reviewing a new product called Easy List Building. Why list building? Well, it's obvious. Without a list, you're not going to be achieving half the profit which is available to you. So let's get straight into it. If you're interested in developing a repetitive income, that's an income that keeps paying you and keeps paying you and keeps paying you, and I'm sure you are, then you're at the right video. Nothing is more important to build a repetitive income than list generation. Now, there are a few types of lists, but we're going to be concentrating on email lists because it's my most important of priorities every day is to make sure that I'm building either new email lists or my existing email lists and opt-in pages, etc., are working to their optimum performance. And then when I built an email list, you just have to nurture it and build trust with that email list. Then your own email list is like having your own money machine. I'm not joking, because if you really look after your email list, you can be making $4, $5, $6 every month per subscriber from your email list, and you can have multiple lists. So you can see the potential right now. And you don't need a big list either. I've just told you you can make a lot of money from small lists. I know somebody who's got a list of just 100. He doesn't let it get any bigger. He has a massive waiting list, and he earns $27 per subscriber every month. So you can see the potential is enormous. You're about to discover how to do this, the step-by-step process, and it's very likely to double, treble, or even quadruple your income. If you don't have a list, you're going to learn how to do it from scratch. I'm about to introduce you to a new product called Easy List Building. It's just coming out right now, and it's by Jason, and he's a very reputable marketer. Now, he's going to share some very sound advice for you, whether you're a complete beginner or whether you're quite advanced. You need this material because it's going to help you build bigger and better quality lists. It'll get you started building this absolutely immediately if that's what you want. You'll discover all the main methods and techniques and how to build strong, trusting relationships with the subscribers. Now, please listen. Anyone can do this. I can do it. You can do it. We can all do it. Just takes a little bit of practice. And every time you do it, you get a little bit better. But this is your chance at making a very life-changing significance in your lifestyle. You'll also have an immediate ROI potential because he's going to give you the opportunity to sell this. It's a PLR product, so you can resell it, sell it on. So whatever price you pay for it, you can sell it for 1,000 times that if you can sell 1,000 copies, or 5,000. So you've got all benefits here and an immediate ROI. Just click the link directly below this video. You'll see one directly below this video, and it will bring you through to this page. Now, it's called Easy List Building, and it's a 9-part video course with full private label rights. There it is. And you are going to learn the step-by-step video training for you. So first of all, use this on yourself. Learn how to build lists, learn how to build them well, and you're never going to be short of an income. So here's a quick rundown of the videos. Video 1, it's your introduction, getting to know Jason and what to expect. Video 2, about finding your list purpose. Video 3, these are the things that you must avoid. These are the things that will stop you building a good list. Video 5 covers recommending autoresponders. Now, we'll learn more about that when you get into it. Recommended landing page creators. Now, did you know you can actually have software that will do this for you in what could take me 7 or 8 hours to do manually? I reviewed a product the other day, and it will do it for you in just a matter of 4 or 5 minutes. So there we are. That's all the different videos for you. And what's the cost? Now, you can see straight away, it's not going to break the bank. It's between $7.77 up to $17. Now, why is that? Well, Jason wasn't too clear on this, but I think it's what they call a dime sale, which means if you get in right at the start, it's going to cost you $7.77 for what you've just seen up here. But it goes up like a dime at a time, or every few minutes it goes up another dime until it reaches a maximum of $17. Okay, I don't know what that is doing in there. You've also got upgrade options. It will give you the opportunity to upgrade to more advanced sales material. And he's also going to give you a trial offer of his PLR Dealer Elite membership. Now, in addition to that, I've got 5 bonuses for you. And to get my bonuses, you need to click on this link here, which will take you directly to payment. And after buying it, you'll be able to get your product, and then you'll be able to get these bonuses. Now, because I presume that you want to drive as much traffic as possible, I've put some really hot products in here for you. This one's called Instagram Marketing Made Simple and Profitable. Instagram is really hot at the moment for driving traffic, so you'll get that as part of this deal. If you want to explode your YouTube channel, now this is something I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel to take off, and I think it's just starting to go. The profit potential is fantastic when you get it going. So you might want to learn about that. That's included. I've also included another bonus, which is called Printly, and it's a product. Now, I can't really tell you much about Printly because I've not actually researched it. What I can tell you is I know 2 people, and they both make ongoing profits out of Printly. In fact, one of them I just spoke to this morning, and he makes all his income out of Printly, and he's doing pretty nicely. He's only been working for himself about 8 or 9 months, and that one product makes him a complete living. I've also given you 2 Facebook products here, which will help you get more traffic from Facebook. Now, I like Facebook. It's how I drive most of my traffic. So those 5 are all for you. They're included in this offer. Just click this link and buy the product through my link. It's going to cost you between $7.77 and $17, and you get all of those bonuses as well. So how was it? If you have any questions or comments, you can write them directly below this video. And where you see the little blue thumbs up, if you enjoyed this video, please click on it, because that tells me you like this video. I know I'm doing something right. And while you're there, please subscribe and hit the little button, little bell icon as well, because if you do this, it will help my channel and it'll help me help you, because every time you come to YouTube, you'll see all the new videos that I've recorded, and you click through to them if you wish. Now, that's one way of getting lots of new information. The other way is by joining my profit generating email list. And the way to do that is, when this video is over, just go to the front of the channel and you can see this little green arrow there pointing at a globe on the right. You won't see the arrow, but the globe will be there. Click that, and it'll bring you through to this page. Just subscribe and I'll keep you entertained. I'll keep you up to date with lots of profit generating information. So thank you very much for joining me. I've really enjoyed making this video for you, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one, or perhaps even in an email. Bye-bye for now.